Okay, in case you didn't notice, we have a paper stuck in here. And why would that be? Well, that's because we don't want the sewer smell to come in here with us. If you have recirculating air because of your air conditioning or heat, and you have that uncovered, it will suck it up through the whole house. It'll distribute it, suck it back to the air conditioner heater, and kick it back out through the whole house. You'll have a sewer smell, which is unique. Not exactly. It'll literally burn your eyes. But somebody else is flushing their toilet down the line. I can hear it. So again, that causes movement of air, and that's why we got it blocked off. These 4 screws here, I'm going to take those out because I backed them out. I'm going to put them up here. I'm going to reuse them. I don't have to, but I'm going to. I can actually use something else, and I don't have to use those holes. I can go in through the flange if I need to. But that, I just wanted to let you know. Then I cleaned off all the underneath here. And here I go putting this 2x. Keep slipping in that. I want this even. All right. Now what I want to do is get some support across here along this front. Now I can do that, turn it flat like this, or I can turn it sideways like so. And I think if I turn it sideways, will give me a lot of strength because I need some strength to go back that way. All right, so either way, it's going to be the same length, 21 1/8.